So what's up guys, this is Ref and welcome back. So for today's video, we'll be just doing a video vlog. I'll be just sharing my experience on pre-ordering my iPhone 17 Pro Max and attending their midnight lunch in powermac. So I'll just do Taglish since this mostly cater locally here in the Philippines. So powermac is one of the biggest resellers here for iPhone devices here in the Philippines, as we don't have any Apple flagship stores locally here. So, anong reason ba't ako mag-upgrade? So, the main reason would be to upgrade from my iPhone 11 here. So, my iPhone 11 is already my main camera for 5 years for my YouTube channel. And iOS 26 will be the last iOS version um, that will support the iPhone 11, unfortunately. So, the iPhone 11 has come to end and it will probably retire. So, that's one of my main reason why I wanted to purchase a new iPhone 17. And so, let's go to the pre-ordering part. So there are three options for pre-ordering the iPhone 17 in PowerMac. So the main reason why I choose PowerMac because they have different installment for banks. I think mostly all of the banks are participating around 24 to 36 months installment with zero interest, and some of them are do have cashback. So I try to take advantage of it, and that's why I choose the powermaccenter here. Although medyo nanghinayang ako kasi meron din pala yung Beyond the Box. Although medyo late na sila nagsabi, and also Digital Walker. And they have, I think, better freebies. They have Marshall headphones, Marshall speakers, and power bank, etc. So, unfortunately, naka-pre-order na ako by that time. So, that's okay. But let's proceed here and discuss about the pre-ordering process in PowerMac. So the first option is the pre-order it in pre-order event. So there are participating stores last October 9 for this option. Mostly the big PowerMac centers, like the one in SM Mega Mall, in Bonifacio High Street, in SM North EDSA, Festival Mall in Greenbelt 3. I initially wanted to go on any of this participating store kasi ang laki ng discount and freebies, as you can see. Free iPhone 16e 128 gig or Apple Watch Ultra 2 for the first 40 customers. You can win one of 4 iPhone 16e. Then may free 8,000 worth of freebies accessories. May extra 1,000 store credit upon pre-order. So that's mostly it. And also, what else? I think they're all the same in SM Mega Mall, in BGC Festival Mall, and this participating store, the pre-order event. The second option would be to pre-order it not in midnight in October 9, but October 9 on any powermaccenter nationwide. So for this, you'll get 8,000 worth of free accessories, then trade-in, discount for iPhone 16, etc., etc., as you can see there. So that's the second option. The third option was be to pre-order it online in powermaccenter website or in Shopee. So for this, you'll get a 6,000 worth of freebies and also a free 2,000 discount e-voucher. So almost the same din kasi 8,000 din naman yung sa pag nag-pre-order ka on-site sa powermaccenter store. But the option that I choose is the second one, pre-ordering on powermaccenter store, because I want an assurance and I wanted to pay it already. So, ayun nga. So, I visited one of the SM PowerMac centers. So, it's in SM Dasmariñas. And then, I pre-ordered there. So, dumating ako doon 10 a.m. opening ng mall. And nagulat ako, ang daming pila na pala. So, almost 19 ako. Pang 19 ako sa pila. 10. And then, the process almost takes around 3 hours. 1 a.m. ako natapos. And, naka-pre-order naman ako ng maayos. So, the good thing there is I was able to pay it already. And also, I was able to get the receipt and the confirmation email. The confirmation email is very important because that's the one that you'll show once you redeem or get your iPhone 17 on the launch date. Okay. So, ayun, nakapag-pre-order na ako. So, after that, I waited for 1 week, almost 1 week, up until to the midnight launch. So, the midnight launch is on October 17. So, October 16, so they also have discounts and freebies as well if you participated in their midnight launch. So, of course, some pili na naman na stores ang merong malalaking freebies, like another free iPhone 16 again, Apple Watch Ultra 2, and SM Mall of Asia, Greenbelt, and SM Landang, free AirPods as well, and free 30,000 words of accessories. That's for their launch event, midnight launch event. And may mga hosts pa, may performers. Alam ko may libreng pakain din yan. I didn't opt to go there since of course hindi naman ako nag-pre-order there sa SM Dasma ako, and masyado kasing hassle. I heard na may mga nag-camp na already days ahead, so most probably hindi na ako makakapunta dyan sa 1 to 40 free iPhone 16e or Apple Watch Ultra, and then 41 to 120 in Greenbelt for free AirPods Pro, and then 31 to 80 in Mall of Asia for free AirPods. So, that was sad. I think it's not worth the hassle to, pumila there. And napakalayo din naman sa akin on my end. So, I opt in midnight launch. So, good thing, there are 40 more stores open in midnight launch. And kasama doon is yung SM Dasmariñas powermaccenter. So, may experience naman on the midnight launch. So, may nagsabi sa akin na employee na 5 p.m. raw yung start ng pila for the midnight launch on October 16. Since yun yung ending or end time ng pre-order on-site. However, that's not the case. So, dumating ako sa SM with my sister and my teenage daughter around 4 p.m. ng October 16. And may pila. Medyo may pila na. Pagdating ko, almost pang 21 ako. So, that's okay. It's not super haba. 21 is still good for me. So, we waited there, I think, 4 to 5 up until midnight of October 17. So, almost 7 hours. Actually, dumami yung tao nung around 10. Mga almost 100 na nakapila. Then, probably around 11, almost 160 ng taong nakapila for the midnight launch. So, as you can see, napakadami din pala. So, on other stores, parang narinig ko almost 600, then 300 yung mga umattend sa midnight launch. And most of them they're trying to get the free 4,000 word accessories. So, yun din naman yung habol ko somehow, is at least may additional 4,000 words of freebies of accessories, and also to be able to get the device on that day on midnight. So, ayun. So, nag-start mag-process ng around 12 a.m. First 20, then sumunod na kami 21 onwards. So, for that process, napakadali lang. So, 12 a.m., parang 1 a.m. na ako natapos. So, almost 1 hour lang din. Since, mabilis na yun kasi pang 21 din ako. And almost For activation lang naman yun at saka verification, wala nang ganong payment since sa pre-order yung magbabayad ka na nga. So ayun, yung pre-order, I was able to get the freebies. So I'll show you the freebies that I was able to get. Alright, so ito na yung 12,000 worth of freebies na nakuha ko sa powermac in pre-ordering it and attending the midnight launch. So, isa-isayin natin mga nakuha ko. So, let's start here. Let's start from left to right. So, eto, meron tayong free eSIM worth 99 pesos. Hindi ko alam kung sinama nila to sa 12,000. But here we got here eSIM. Since the iPhone Air, I think, is eSIM only. So, I think kaya namimigay sila ng libreng eSIM. So, here is may strap tayo. A crossbody phone strap. Okay. Designed for use for phone cases. Okay. Ang tatak niya is ZAG. And then we got also a wrist strap from powermac. Alright. And then meron din tayong USB-C to USB-C cable, 240 watts. I think it's probably one of the worth it here kasi since 240 watts to, probably it can charge tablet faster and also charge the MacBook. So, 240 watts. Fast charging laptop. Alright. So, I think ito yung mga isa siguro favorite ko dito. And then, ito, isa din. JBL Go Essential 2 speaker. So, ito yung medyo mabigat siya, in fairness. So, since this is a speaker, ito yung medyo malaking value din siguro. Let's check kung may Alright, wala siyang price. Although, okay. Probably somewhat worth it to. Research ko may Go Essential 3 and 4 na. Pero, okay. Just thankful may speaker tayo. Although I wish ginawa na lang ng power bank or AirPods. Anyway, let's move on. So, power brick, USB-A and USB-C. Power brick. So, this is a 30 watts fast charging. So, goods naman. And then, we got here also Belkin wall charger power brick again for 30 watts. And then, ano pa ba? Ito. Magnetic ring mount. Okay. Panzer glass. Although nakikita ko to sa binibenta ng powermac. So, magnetic kickstand glass. Okay lang. And then, isang clear case from before anything else. Ano ba to? So, 2-in-1 anti-yellowing protection, slim profile. I'll try to test it. Although, nakabili na ako from Shopee kasi mas mura doon. Only 100 pesos. And then, we have here also a voucher. A 2,000 pesos voucher valid only for cases and screen protector for the latest iPhone. So, for iPhone 17 lang, 2,000 voucher. Any stores to. And then, powermac 100 pesos na GC. Okay. Alright, so that's it. So, yan yung 12,000 worth of freebies. So, kaya na mag-judge kung worth it ba or hindi. Basta for me, it's the experience that counts. Although, nakakapagod talaga. So, yung magandang part lang naman ito is nakakuha ko ng somehow freebies and nakuha ko yung device on the spot. So, without any issues. So, that's it. For me, if it's worth it, it is just fine. I'm thankful, but I wish it could be better. Yun lang yung aking position doon. So, thankful pa rin naman tayo kasi may freebies kasi. Previously, I pre-order S24 Ultra. Ang nakuha ko lang is free upgrade. No power brick, no anything else. Just a free upgrade. And here in the iPhone 17 Pro Max, somehow, kahit paano, may speaker, may power brick, may wired, USB-C, and casing, and then voucher. So, kahit paano, it's better than the S24 Ultra pre-order that I experienced before. So, that's mostly it. So, ito yung iPhone 17 Pro Max ko. Ayan o. Setup na yan. And I've been using it for a few days now. So, I'll be doing a proper unboxing of the iPhone 17 Pro Max and the freebies itself. So, kindly watch out for that video. Probably within few days, i-upload ko siya. So, that's it. So, that's my experience in pre-ordering the iPhone 17 Pro Max at powermaccenter and attending their midnight launch. So, I hope you like my video. Please like, share, and subscribe. And see you soon. Peace out.